Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to get into the VRS case lineup for your Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra. Now all of these cases you can get from online. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range from 18 to 25 bucks. Now on a side note, for everybody asking me when is the real review coming for the S22, my Ultra 5 Gangster Alpha Omega Supreme in Galactus Red should be here this week. So look forward to that full review. In the meantime, let's get through all of these cases. All right, so let's get right into this. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes.
I love my white shoes.
Calm down. All right, here we go. Now, first we're going to take a look at the Ark Sling Bag. Now this one is going to run you 35 bucks. Now this is basically a nice little sling bag, padded cushion on the back, one single strap, but it does have a unique feature. Look at this. Now I just seen this today for the first time. You got a USB slot right here. All right, so this is pretty epic. On the front, little VRS design, nice nylon material, plenty of zippers, plenty of pockets. So let's go ahead and open this up. Inside, we got all of the cases. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop these out. Shoes patiently waiting to troll. And one more side note, I am feeling a lot better. I did not have the Omarion. Okay, so I'm gonna be able to laugh in this video. Okay, let's see what we got inside. Now, it does have a little cable right here. All right, so this is pretty dope. Let's see, pass-through. Little cable right here for pass-through technology. So you can drop your battery charger right in here and pop right out the side. This is pretty sick. Okay, so this is the Ark Sling Bag, 35 bucks on this one. All right, so let's get into the cases. All right, so first up, we got the Terra Guard Crystal Clear. Now this one is gonna run you 18 bucks. Available for all of your Galaxies. Let's see, you got made with high quality materials, slim and form-fitted construction, provides maximum protection, resistant to accidental drops, no extra bulkiness added, precise cutouts for responsive feedback. Okay, so this is the Terra Guard Crystal. Let's check this one out. Okay, flick of the wrist. Okay, one flick of the wrist. Okay, so this is a crystal clear case. Now let's see, do we have a little sticker struggles on the back? Let's see how easy this is to get off. Okay. Okay. Not too bad. There's one. This one might be a little bit difficult. All right, let me grab a little knife. All right, so basically, I just peeled up the corner a little bit. And there it is. Terra Guard Crystal Clear. Now this one has some nice grips on the side. Gel skin. Pretty hard. Giggity. Basically just a crystal clear case. So let's throw it on Galactus to see how it looks. Okay. Nice amount of razivity on this one. So it is Slamboard certified. One more thing I gotta mention. Now a lot of people have been asking me about my live wallpapers, my animated, always on displays. I don't touch my phone. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people have been asking me these. I'm gonna leave a little link right here to a video that I made, how to get all of these wallpapers and always on displays. Now, some of them you're gonna have to pay for, some are free, but they do look dope. Back to the case. There's your cutouts, buttons, cutouts. Let's check for the S Pen. Now look at this. S Pen does have a nice little cutout. So it's real easy to take out. Bang, there it is. Let's check the buttons. There's your button. Nice little press on this. And let's check for wireless charge. There it is. All right, so Terra Guard Crystal Clear. Nice lightweight. Let's get a little wipe down. Look at that. Showcase the color of your phone. 18 bucks on this one. Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the Quickstand Pro. Now this one is going to run you 20 bucks. Everything is the same, maximum protection. Let's see how this one looks. Again, all of these cases available for all of your different Galaxies. Okay, flick of the wrist. Quickstand Pro. Now this one does have a nice kickstand on the back, and this is a metal kickstand. Oh, you hear that snap? Okay, real nice. Let's see, a little grip on the side. Let's drop it on the big boy again. Here we go. Okay. Let's check the button. There's your button. Nice amount of razivity on this one. Okay, so it is Slam Boy certified. This one does have a nice little extra weight to it. Textured feel in the back. Camera's recessed. There's your buttons, cutouts, everything lines up. You see that nice little groove right there? Get to your S Pen. Whop, just like that. Let's make sure everything works. Now let's see if we get wireless charge through that kickstand. No issues. But the best thing about this case is this kickstand. Now this is one of those kickstands. Look at that. So if you want to watch your videos, bang, just like that. Oh, you hear that snap? Let's check for flappage. No flappage with the kickstand at all. Okay, this is the Quickstand Pro. I love this metal kickstand. Look at that. This kickstand is not going to break. And it's going to be perfect for your content viewing. All right? Quickstand Pro. Let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the Terra Guard. Now this one is going to run you $25. Okay, same thing. Just got to check this one out. Okay. Flick of the wrist. Y'all seen that follow through just now? Here it is, VRS Terra Guard. Now this one has that rugged look to it. Okay, definitely hard shell material. Grip you feel on the side. There's your buttons, very pronounced. Cutouts. Okay, cutouts, buttons, cutouts. Let's kind of slap this one on. Okay, let's check that button. Now this one does have a nice button feel. It's very important. I love how all of the VRS cases have that deep cutout for the S Pen, so no diggage, okay? No diggage, no fingernail breakage, just like that, bang. Let's check wireless charge. Okay, there's your wireless charge. Nice nice grippy feel on the side of this. Let's see, little VRS branding, but the back of this just has that rugged look to it. Okay, so this is the Terra Guard. Oh, look at this. Little rubber stoppers right there. Camera's nice and deep in there. I'm feeling that. Look at a little drop test. Bang. Let's see how it looks for the S22 Plus. Okay. Now this one does come in a few different colors. Okay, also some different packaging. Let's go ahead and slap this one on. Okay, now this one, let's see, a little bit harder to get on. Okay, I like that though. Look at this. Now, the difference between the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the S22 Plus and the regular S22, flat display. So with the flat display, now you're getting full protection. Okay, so this one is 100% Slam Boy certified. There's your buttons cutouts. Let's see how easy this is to press. Nice, easy press. Okay, make sure the wireless charger on deck. There it is. But again, full screen protection. Bang. And we got one more. This is the green version. See how this one looks. Okay. Now this is also for Galactus. Let's see how hard this one is to take off. Okay. Not hard at all. Giggity. Here we go. Okay. Now, this is not a scratch. Maximum cat hair alert. This green one does look dope. Okay, I like this. And again, you're getting maximum protection. This one does have full screen protection also, even though you have the curved display. It is raised up. So it is Slam Boy certified as well. Okay, see all that screen protection, all that razivity. Real nice. All right, so let's keep it moving. Next up, we got the Terra Guard Pro. Now this one's gonna run you $27. Let's get to check this one out. Okay, now this is the wallet style case. Flick of the wrist. Check that out. Now, VRS makes some of the best wallet style cases. You hear that? The no flappage cases. Okay, they all look very rugged. They all got the grips on the side. Nice buttons, cutouts. Buttons, cutouts. Let's slap this one on. Okay. Now look at all that razivity. Slamboy certified. Now let's see, can we get wireless charge through this big wallet on the back? Negative. Okay, so this is a non-wireless charge case. But if you think about it, look how high this wallet is. So you're not going to get wireless charge through that. You do have spots for your credit cards. Now these are not real credit cards. These are old ones. Slap them in just like that. This is the perfect case for going out. Let's check the buttons. Here's your buttons. That big giant cutout for your S Pen, so no diggage. There it is. Okay, everything lines up. Got these big stoppers on the back. Military look. And the best part about this, one hand opening to get to your credit cards. Bang, just like that. Charge it to the game. Bang, you out of there. So this way when you're going out, you don't have to walk around with a big giant wallet. You can actually throw some money in here too. Look how much space is still in there. Now, do I have any money in my pockets? No, I'm broke. All right, so no money, but you could fold up a dollar bill in it, slap it right in there, and you're good to go. Let's check for flappage. Now you can hear how much space is in there, but no movement. All right, so no flappage on this until you're ready to go. Bang, just like that. And we out. Okay, so this is the Terra Guard Pro. Let's check one more. Let's see how it looks for the S22 Plus. Okay. Flick of the wrist. Matter of fact, I'm going to save this for a minute. Look at that. I love that sound. Very satisfying. Slap this one on. Okay. Again, look how much razivity is on this. Look how deep your ports are. Okay. Slamboy certified. Now let's see. Now say this was money. We'll simulate this as normally about a $100 bill folded up would look like this. Drop it right in there. And there it is. So let's see if we got a $100 bill. Let's get my driver's license and credit card. Slap them right in there. And that's all you need. All right, no more big heavy wallets. No flappage. Now we could just charge it to the game. Give a little validated tip. Go home broke. All right, so this is the Terra Guard Pro. Let's keep it moving. All right, so last up, we got the Terra Guard Hybrid. Now, this is the most expensive case. This one's going to run you 30 bucks. Okay, let's check this one out. Okay, shoes came back. If you want to see the most expensive case, let's see what it looks like. Terra Guard Hybrid. Okay, now check this out. This is pretty sick. This might be the one. Now you got your credit card wallet and you got a kickstand. So this is a hybrid. This is a mix between the Quickstand Pro and the Terra Guard Pro. Okay, same grip on the side, buttons, cutouts, buttons, cutouts. Let's get and slap this one on. Okay, let's check the button. There it is. Now again, you're not going to get any wireless charge with this. There's your S Pen. Okay, no diggage. You see, I got no nails, so I couldn't get the diggage anyway. So I'm glad they got these little cutouts. I love this rugged kind of look to it. Tight shoes. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Okay, I still got the money and the cards. Okay, so let's try this. We'll drop a $100 bill in. We'll drop a driver's license and credit card. Just like that. Let's check for flappage. Okay, no flappage. Let's check the kickstand. Now, this is a real kickstand. When you got to dig it open like that, that's a good sign. And it locks into place. So you can use it like this or like this. Let me see. Can you use it like this? You could if you really wanted to. If you're on a FaceTime call, you could just chill like this. But you're going to get more sturdiness if you rock it like this in landscape mode. Okay. And watch that snap. Whoa, you heard that? There is no flappage on this kickstand. Bang. Okay, so this is the Terra Guard Hybrid Series, 30 bucks. Let's take it. Let's see how it looks on the Thanos version. Okay. Shoes ain't even blink. Okay. Shoes is working today. Shoes here to work. All right. It's about time. Shoes. On the side note, cats know when you sick because Shoe's been taking a lot of days off because she know I was kind of sick. But now that I'm back in my final form, Shoes is back in her final troll form also. Again, look at all that razivity. Okay, all your ports nice and deep. And the one hand, I love this. This is actually the best wallet style case out. See how that works. Okay. How much is that? $49? All right, let me charge that. Charge it to the game. Well, get pulled over by the cops. Hey, my driver's license right here. And again, you want to grease the bounce at the door. I was teaching Amaya how to do this. Fold the money like this. All right. Oh, no sneakers, no hats allowed. All right, I got you. Good looking, bro. Slip them off the money. Use the one hand close. Rock out like a boss. All right, so this is the Daimler Glide Hybrid Series. I know, little life lessons in the middle of a case video. $30 on these. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so this is the VRS case lineup for your Galaxy S22 series. Everything you see here, $18 to $30. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes, picture me rolling. It's your boy Flossy out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock 1 to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you're part of the money team.